Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an unbagging for you. Now before I get into this, you know the drill. I just want to say hey to everybody and thank you for watching, and I hope everybody's having a great day. And please do all the YouTubey things. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel. If you have not subscribed yet, please do. And please check out all of my series on here. I have something different all the time. You never know what I'm going to do on my channel. And I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. And yeah, just leave me a comment. Let me know how you're doing. And let's get into this bag. So, this comes to me from Paintsomeway. And I want to say thank you to Paintsomeway for sending this to me to share with y'all. And let's see what I got. Alright, so I know there's a little something back down here in the corner. So I'm going to just pull that out first and we'll just see what I got. So, I got one of these little cover minders. And just let me get this cut open. So I have a few of these already. Okay. But I didn't have the red one. So this one is, if y'all can see, this is the red glitter drop cover minder, and he was $1.99 on Paintsomeway's website. Isn't he cute? His little cheeks. And it's got the very strong magnets, as you can see. And I have got all of them except for well, I've got the red one now, but now I just need the green one. And then I'll have all of those. So there he is. I'm going to just set him right there. And then let's see what else I got. Okay. So I seen this and I thought she was cute. And y'all know me. I like the gorgeous girls. I like my gnomes, but I'm getting bored with them. So I have been trying to find myself something else. And I love, love, love special drills. I just don't have a whole lot of them. So I thought, well, you know what? I'm going to look in the special drills and I'm going to see if I can't find me something. So this comes with your typical toolkit, which is just a single placer pink pen, your green boat, and a square of wax. And this is all you need to do your diamond paintings. And then it comes with your special drills, because this is a special kit. And we will look at this in just a second. And I think I'm just going to move my little glitter drop right over there. And this is what I got. Isn't she sweet? Now, I have never seen this image, ever. And I just thought her little face was so cute. And there was like, I think there was like 4 little girls. But I thought she was the cutest. Plus, just to be honest, I liked the things in her hair, and I wanted these special drills, okay? But she is a 30 by 40. She has got 8 special drills, and they have got codes, okay? This is a partial, so therefore none of this background is going to be drilled. Her face will not be drilled. Her skin will not be drilled. Just the flowers, her necklace, this part around here. That's the only part that's going to be drilled. Her hair, the flowers in her hair, that's it. And it is very super, super sticky. So, I think I just made that worse than what I had it. Alright, so let's look at these drills. Oh, and as you can see, it is very, very clear. Very clear. And she is just super, super pretty. Alright, let's look at these real quick. Now, on Paintsomeway, she is called Partial Elegant Girl. And she was $5.99. Now, we have got a bag of gold. What would these be? Half pearls? Is that what they're called? But look at how bright gold those are. But this is why I wanted this canvas. Well, besides she was pretty. But, oh my God, look at those. Are these not gorgeous? Look at these roses. Oh my goodness, aren't they pretty? Those are going to be so pretty. I hope I have some of those left over. And look, we have got gold. 2 things of gold. Yes. And then we have got yellow and pink. And then that blue. And then green. Oh my goodness. These are so pretty. Oh man. Those are going to be so, so pretty. Oh, and I didn't even see those. Those just fell out. So we've got half pearl blue pearls. And those have got like that iridescent coating on them. Ooh, those are so pretty. Those are going to go right there in those flowers. And I bet that is, yeah, 6. Those are going to go right around that. Oh my goodness. I just cannot wait to put those on. God, aren't those pretty? Okay, let me put those back in there. I might try to get all of the girls. Like I said, I think there were like 4 of them. I don't remember what they were all called. But this one was called Elegant Girl. And like I said, she was $5.99. But she is so pretty. You know, she sort of puts me in mind of the girl in that vampire movie by Anne Rice. Oh my God, I've read that whole book series and I've watched all those movies and I cannot remember the name of her. That's got Tom Cruise in it and Brad Pitt. If y'all know what I'm talking about, please leave a comment and let me know. Because I cannot think of the name of the book. Or the name of the little girl. I know Lestat is... I think that was Tom Cruise. But I can't think of what the little girl's name was. Or the name of the movie. Or the book. Anyway, if you remember and you know, leave me a comment. But anyway, there's that. Now, let me set this one to the side. And the last thing that I got was, y'all. Okay. You know. Okay. If you have been following me, you know that I have been collecting a certain series. Comes with a typical toolkit. Pink pen, wax, green bow. Here's the drills. We have a ton of white. That should give you a hint right there. And then we have greens, we have grays, we have browns, we have pinks. We have a lot of greens, just different shades. We've got some reds. And it looks about like that's all the colors. There's a lot of greens. So, what did I get? Ta-da-da-da! Y'all, I am done. I have got all of the canvases. I got them all 12. So, I have September, back to school. It is a 40 by 40. It is 20 colors. It has got the schematic on the top right, bottom left. And this is the Dessert Cup series. And it is the calendar months. And I finally have finished the series. Yes, finally. So now I can move on. So this was the last one that I needed for completion. And this one has got the cup with the apple, because, you know, it's back to school, so teachers have the apple, and it looks like this might be, it could either be apple cider, maybe, or hot chocolate, but in either way, it has got apples floating in it, and it has a peppermint candy cane in it. We've got 1, 2, 3 green hearts. We have all of this white background, which is going to be all color blocking. We have got a lot of confetti in the cup. We've got some color blocking, but there is some confetti in the apples. But y'all, I am so happy to be done with this series. I really am. Now I just need to start them. But on Paintsomeway, September, all of their months of the years was $8.75. These are all rounds, and they were all 40 by 40s. And yeah, they look awesome. And great stick. And they too have got the glitter in the background, if you can see. I don't think you can. But the drill field looks awesome. Very clear. So yeah. So who else is collecting these? And who else has collected these and has completed their series? Like I said, I just need to start them and get them finished. So, this is all that I have for you today from Paintsomeway. And again, I want to say thank you to them for sending these to me to show to all of y'all. And I love my little glitter drop guy. I love cover minders. Absolutely love them. So anyway, just to recap, $8.75 for the dessert cup. September dessert cup was $8.75. The partial elegant girl was $5.99, and the little glitter drop cover minder was $1.99 on Paintsomeway. And y'all, you just need to go check this company out. They've got all kinds of stuff, and they're always running some kind of promotion. I will leave the links in my description box, and if I have a coupon code, because I don't remember if I do or not, I'll leave that in my description box also. And please, like I said, if you know what I'm talking about, please leave me a comment, because that's going to bug me. until I go look it up. So, all right, y'all. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. And again, thank you to Paintsomeway. I appreciate you. And I appreciate all my subscribers and viewers. And if you have not subscribed yet, please do. And until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.